Hi guys, my name is Gavin, and today I'll be showing you how to turn a light on and off with Python and the Blender game engine. So I'm just gonna get started. To start off, I'm gonna right click on this camera and hit X delete. I'm gonna drag this light just over our player just a bit. Alright. And if we hit play now, we should see that the light in the middle is actually pretty strong right now. You can see that top surface of the cube is pretty bright. And the way that this works is if we go from defaults to game logic and go from Blender render to Blender game, is on our light itself, if you click on this icon, or the lamp, sorry, you should see energy. So let's say I put this at 100, we should see that the cube is a lot brighter now at the top. And if I set it to 0, you see it's pretty much pitch black. So what I'm going to do is what we're going to have is a Boolean operator on our light. So let's add a game property. Let's have it be Boolean. I'm going to change it to lamp like that. And I'm going to add a float property and let's have it be energy like that. And let's set it to 1 for now. So what we're going to do is add a sensor. Always click these first 3 dots. And add a Python controller like that. Alright, so what we're now going to do is do templates, Python, then game logic simple. We're going to create a script, and I'm going to delete the portion right here that I've highlighted. I'm going to hit Control and scroll up on my mouse to make my text larger. And I'm going to rename this as, let's say, lamp.py. So now what we're going to do is we're going to ignore the script for a second, and we're going to add a keyboard, sorry. And we're going to click tap, space, like that, and then I'm going to put the space bar in here. So what this is essentially going to do is we're going to have it toggle our Boolean operator property, so add a property actuator, and change it from assign to toggle, and let's put lamp. Lamp, sorry. So if we connect these right here, so connect them like that, and we click on these 2 eyes, and then do game, and then show debug properties. If we hit play, we should see that every time I hit the spacebar, it's going to change from true to false. Inside of our script, what we're going to do is have it so that we can edit, we're going to have the energy of the lights, or essentially how powerful it is, equal to this Boolean operator energy. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to rename this from own to lights, since this is our light object. And I'm going to have if light lamp is equal to true, so essentially if our light is on, what we're going to do is have light energy is going to equal 1.00. If it's else, we're going to have light energy is going to equal 0.00. I'll actually tack on an extra 0 just to be sure. But if we hit play now, we see it doesn't do anything. And the reason why is we need to actually specifically tell the light energy to be equal to the property. So above this, what we're going to do is have light.energy is going to equal light and then energy. Like that. So if we hit play now, we should see that every time I toggle the spacebar, the top of that cube is going to get brighter and darker. Alright guys, that's all I have for now. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. But for the time being, thanks for watching and have a good day.